Hey everyone! Today we're going to look at some of our most popular wedding bands. As always, all the products mentioned here are posted in the description below. And make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell as it really helps us out. Starting with the first design, style 6317. This is a U-shaped two-prong design. There are two prongs for every diamond set in the ring. As you can see from the side, there are two prongs shared by the adjacent diamonds, holding each diamond in place. Also, if you tilt the ring to the side, you can actually see that the prongs are U-shaped, which gives a nice open view of your diamonds. It's very sparkly, very chic, and very classy. For comparison, here's the band design set with different size stones. You can see that beautiful U-shaped two-prong design in both, but because of the different stone sizes, they each provide a very different look, all the while still offering that beautiful open side view of the diamonds, still sparkly, still chic, still classy. Next, we have style 6318. This wedding band features four prongs set around every stone. In contrast to the U-shaped design, this side view of the diamonds is masked by gold. This design works well to showcase its uniquely angular shank. You will observe that the area of the band that meets your finger is uniquely angular or rectangular. Most other wedding bands will feature a rounded corner. For comparison, here is the band design set with different size stones. Both clearly showcase the four-prong design with its angular band, but as you can see, the size of stones give a very different overall vibe to the ring. The size of stones can range from the ones on the left to the ones on the right, and any size in between. Next, we have style 6807. This one is called the micro pave wedding band for the way diamonds are set at the top. The micro pave look has diamonds set all the way around from the sides to the top. This particular model has 3 rows of diamonds, one visible from the side, one on top, and one on the other side. The diamonds are set very close together, giving an elegant, flush, and gorgeous sleek look. For comparison, here's the band design set with different size stones. A difference you may notice is that the diamonds begin at different points around the shank. For example, if you look here, the stones are all set near the top. Stones can also be set further down the band. It is not eternity, so it won't go all the way around, but it can cover most of the band. Options are available if you choose style 6807. Next, we have style 4939. This is another two-prong design with prongs shared by adjacent diamonds. The result is a large, eye-catching row of diamonds at the top. But unlike the previous U-shaped design, the side view shows the diamonds are elevated higher. They do not sit so close to the shank or the base of the gold. Instead, the diamonds are embraced by alternating heights of lower and higher gold. For comparison, here's the band design set with different size stones. They have that same design of 2 shared prongs, elevated diamonds at the top, and glittering sides. But based on size of stones, the overall vibe of this ring can change significantly. Lastly, we have style 7540. This is the channel set because of how the diamonds are set within this channel created by 2 large rows of gold. The diamonds are very secure and more protected, raising durability without trading away that beauty, elegance, and design. This design also has sharp angular corners where the band meets your finger. For comparison, here is the band design set with different size stones. The size of stones can range anywhere from the size on the left to the size on the right. The size of stone makes a particularly big impact on the look of the band. And similar to the micro pave design, there are options of how far along the band you'd like to set the stone, stopping higher up or extending the channel lower. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. Here, we showcase our most popular wedding band styles. The links to every single one of these products are posted in the description below. And of course, if you have any questions, please get in touch with us through our website or through one of our social channels. Make sure to check us out and stay tuned for the next video.